that we will not tolerate this sort of behavior against our citizens.
Ayan.
So we are hereby announcing the termination of all the people in the OPS who were involved in this incident. Tatlo. Three personnel.
Okay.
Hindi po kami nagdadalawa.
Good news
We
to.
are not fooling around here. Hindi kami naglolo ko dito. Kung akala nyo naglolo ko kami, nagkakamali
Tama.
kayo. Kung akala nyo, ginagawa lang namin to for show, nagkakamali kayo. No, and the appropriate investigations will be conducted and the proper administrative charges will be filed after the investigations. But now we are terminating them already.
Tama.
I've already instructed General Bisnar to issue that order today. So again, please, sa lahat ng ating mga kasama sa DOTR family, because we are a family of people who are here to serve our citizens.
Tama.